my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here today for a relaxing Sunday reset, or at least I intended it to be. But as you guys probably already know, if you follow me on Instagram or you read my community posts that I post here on YouTube, my entire family, actually on this day that I filmed this, right after we all found out we had COVID-19, and so I'm recovering from that. So this is supposed to be relaxing, but my stuffy, nasally voice might put a little damper on the video, so I apologize for that. But yeah, we all caught COVID-19. Actually, after I filmed this video, my husband had tested positive, and then the very next day my daughter did, and then I did, and yeah, they are pretty much recovered. They got it before me. I'm really the last one that's recovering, and it's been pretty tough. Like, my husband seemed to recover quicker than me, and so did my daughter. I'm just over here with body aches, and I have posted this on Instagram, but I got like this weird numb feeling in my legs, and it freaks me out. My fever was the last to go away. It's been a lot, and I'm already like super freaked out by COVID-19. It's crazy because we managed to stay away from it from pretty much the whole pandemic since it started like 2 to 3 years ago. But I did have two pretty close people. One that's in my family, my aunt's husband, passed away from COVID-19, and then the pastor that married us, actually, I'm like, this is supposed to be relaxing. I'm over here talking about sad stuff, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up, kind of why I'm so afraid of COVID-19, because I know some of you, if you follow me on Instagram and saw that post where I was freaking out asking if anybody else felt this, why I'm so scared of COVID-19 and kind of why I reacted that way. So I had somebody in my family die of COVID-19, and then the pastor that married us was in the hospital for like 4 months, on the verge of almost dying, God forbid, but he did make it out. He's still on oxygen and stuff like that. So when it came to COVID-19, I always was really grateful that we never caught it, but I was always really afraid of catching it, especially the baby. So anyways, all that to say that when we finally got it, and I was just like, a whole bunch of things were going through my head, you know, when you have people that were close to you that were affected in that way to it. It's just like, yeah, I know it's way different than the beginning of the pandemic, and the strain is a lot weaker right now, but it just my mind was messing with me. I felt like I couldn't breathe, but obviously it was just all in my mind. But anyways, yeah, we're recovering, so excuse the voice. Today I just had to do a bunch of cleaning, which is it was kind of redundant because right after I did this cleaning, my entire house just flipped upside down with bottles all over the place, medicine, water bottles, everything. It's a disaster, but at least I got to clean beforehand, and I'll get to clean after. But I had some laundry to do, some laundry to fold, which is actually mine, so I'm going to go ahead and put that away. We're going to vacuum up here. We're going to go downstairs, clean the kitchen, clean the dining room a bit, and then we are going to redecorate my tea tray, which has been decorated for Easter, since Easter. So I definitely have to go ahead and redecorate that for summer. I'm super late, but we're going to do it, and it's going to be a vibe. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'll try to chat with you guys and catch up with a few things throughout the video. But mostly I'm just going to try to let the music play and let it be a little bit more relaxing, because I don't want to force myself to talk right now.
Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
So now I'm just cleaning up the kitchen. It was a mess from the morning. I did things a little different on this day. I usually always start off with the kitchen, but I wanted to start off upstairs just for a change of scenery, and then I came back downstairs to clean down here and decorate this here tray. But yeah, I'm like, it's 4th of July weekend right now. And this video that I filmed the weekend before 4th of July weekend, and that's also the weekend where we got sick. And now we're still a little sick, so what's really a bummer is that if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I was planning like a 4th of July barbecue for our family for the first time ever in this house, and we got a company to send us a tent and tables and stuff like that for the video, which I still have to do that video. I'll just be doing it the weekend after 4th of July because we have that obligation there. But we also just got a bunch of decorations. I got a bouncy house for the kids and stuff like that. So I was especially disappointed when we caught COVID-19 just because we had this barbecue coming, and I knew that we wouldn't be well enough on this weekend to be able to still do it, especially because my sister-in-law is pregnant, so I didn't want to risk anything. But yeah, just a heads up, that video is still going to be coming up. I wanted it to release, I was going to film it the Saturday of the 4th of July and release it the very next day. I was going to like break night just to give you a little motivation for the 4th of July and stuff like that. But I guess it'll still be like a barbecue ideas type of video, and it could also work for Labor Day. I know I'm gonna be late and early at the same time, but hey, we gotta adjust to our circumstances. So I'm super bummed about that, but I also wanted to ask you guys. So I know I'm super early. I'm obsessed with fall, and the fall line for Studio McGee came out at Target, and I cannot get my hands on anything. I don't know if you guys are the same way, and I haven't been able to get out the house because I have been on like quarantine. But they have like gorgeous pieces, specifically this terracotta vase that I want so bad, and it was sold out the second that it came out. And I have it on these notifications to notify me when it's back in stock, and every time it notifies me, I kid you not, I click on it that same second and it's already sold out. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's a glitch, but let me know down below if you guys have been able to get your hands on any of the new Studio McGee fall decor, and what's your favorite piece. I definitely have fall decor hauls coming. All that good stuff is coming soon. I know that it's early, you guys, but if you know, for us YouTubers, we gotta put things out ahead of time to give you guys ideas. So don't shoot me down just yet, but definitely if you guys are big fall fanatics like me and you don't know, definitely go to your Target and see if you can get your hands on any of the new Studio McGee decor.
I'd ever seen you stand beside me in every dream. Angel goddess, you cover them all. Say, what can I do to get
Here it was time to wash my dish towels and my drying mat. As you can see, it was filthy, so I took this opportunity, since I was doing a semi-deep clean, to grab all of them, and then after I finished cleaning downstairs, I put them in the wash and got them all cleaned up. That's something that I let go way too often, especially my drying mat. I only have that one, so I don't have another one to switch it to. So I let it get so dirty before I clean it, and I should definitely stay more on top of that. And then my dish towels that I have, they're mostly for decor, unless my husband uses them, because you know they don't get the decor part. But they mostly stay clean, but the one by the oven tends to get dirty a lot because as I'm cooking, things will spill on it. So I thought I would just go ahead and wash those two along with my dish rags.
go with someone like me? I'd say I'm settled and pretty calm. I don't storm in the storm, no. Not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care
So on this day, I actually had my robot vacuum the floors, but it didn't get everything like underneath the table and underneath my kitchen island stools. So I just went ahead and did that with my vacuum. And guys, I'm so sorry that I sound so disgusting. I wish I could have waited a little longer till my voice didn't sound so ugly, but I am so behind on videos and I have sponsorships coming up, so it's enough of me just staying in bed and not doing anything. I had to do something, so I just thought I would finish up this video. I already had it edited and ready to go. I just needed to do voiceover. So I'm so sorry that you guys have to hear me this way, but now we're gonna go ahead and decorate the tier tray. And yeah, so I started off with this kitchen towel that is from Hearth and Hand, and then I have these little bud vases from Target Dollar Spot, and I just stuck some greenery that I had. I also have these little wooden spoons from Target, and I stuck them in a little ceramic pitcher from Target as well. If you can't already tell, I'm obsessed with Target. I'm also gonna put a little wooden cutting board that I got from Hobby Lobby in their spring collection. They always have an aisle with a bunch of wooden things like wooden cutting boards, spoons, and all that good stuff. And then this little home sign that I'm gonna stick in front of it, I actually got from Hobby Lobby as well. It was $6.99 and I got it for half off because it was part of their table decor. This planter that has like a beautiful terracotta pot, I actually got this from Home Goods years back and I always use it on the tier tray. That little pot that I put there with the lid is from Target as well, and then these little bowls that have florals in them are from Target. So basically this whole tier tray is from Target, aside from a few things from Hobby Lobby is what I'm trying to say really. But yeah, I just thought that the flowers within and then the terracotta colors just gave it like a real summer touch. Um, and then I just went ahead and filled it with some flowers and some little branches that I had, very similar to what I had for Easter, apart from all the bunnies and eggs that I had, but still pretty much a summery slash spring vibe. Anyways, after this, you guys, that's it for today's video. Again, I apologize for you guys having to hear me sound so ugly and so sick, but I appreciate all the prayers that you guys been sending me and my family. You guys don't know how much that means to me. It really almost brought me to tears how many of you guys would actually type out prayers for us, and I just appreciate you guys so much. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I'll be doing much better and I won't sound as ugly, but we have a lot of good things coming your way, God willing. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me.